Hey guys, I'm going to do a really quick walkthrough of the hotel room that we got in Cancun. We just checked in right now. We got here at 12 and then we had to sit around and wait for like 3 hours, but we finally gotten in the room. So I'm going to show you what's going on in this room because it's pretty nice. And yeah, so here we go. When you walk in, here's the bathroom, sink, and then that's me. Hello. And then we have this really big mirror. And there's like a little coffee station. And then there's like the ice bucket and stuff. And then in here, oh, wrong side. It opens on this side. There's their little mini fridge. And they've got some drinks in there which are included. Their mini bar is included in the price that you pay. So that's pretty cool. And then over there is just the closet. And then here is the bathroom with just a shower. I'm a little bummed that it's just a shower and not a tub, but it is what it is. That's our luggage. And then we have 2 beds in the room. Obviously my husband and I are only going to be using one, but there's 2. And then there's a little seating area with my husband sitting there and the TV area right here. And then what I'm most excited about is the balcony, which has a view of the ocean. We come out here. How do I unlock it? Okay, we're gonna come out here. It's got a little seating area. Another seating area. And then the beautiful ocean view. Look at how beautiful that is. I'm gonna try to zoom in. There we go. Wow. So I'm pretty excited. We're staying at the Omni in Cancun if anyone's interested. It's a great hotel for a great price, and if you book through Costco, it's actually really affordable and it's all inclusive. So I think it's good value for money. Okay, I'm gonna leave this here and we're gonna go have some fun. Talk to you guys later. Good morning. It's 3:30 in the morning and we are up because we're gonna go to some Mayan ruins today. And right now we're just getting some breakfast. We had room service delivered and we had some chicken quesadillas, or not chicken, cheese quesadillas, and some bottled waters delivered. They didn't have an actual breakfast menu, so we just had to get what we thought would be the most fitting for breakfast. So we're gonna go do this, and then, oh, that's our alarm telling us we need to hurry up, and then we're gonna head downstairs and go to the ruins. So we'll see you in a little bit.
¿Todo bien, no?
all get the blessing. Todos vamos a tener la bendición.
We just finished our tour and now we're gonna go get our bathing suits on and we're gonna go down to the beach. This lighting is really bad. Okay, so we finished our outside beach time and we took a nap and now we're gonna go to dinner and I have space buds. Okay, bye. Dinner is served. I've got the lamb vindaloo and Isaiah has the chicken teriyaki. I hope it's good. Yep. Hi, we're done with dinner and now we're back on our balcony, but there's people doing karaoke. They're singing Despacito. Oh, it just finished. Sorry. There'll be another song. Come on. There's an event going on. There's all kinds of vendors. These lights are pretty. We'll watch and see what the next song's gonna be. Diving, so I'm gonna try to turn in a little early today, so that way we have a little bit more time to just sleep in and get well rested, so we can go diving tomorrow. See y'all later. Bye.